Hello everyone, welcome to Augmented Reality in-depth section. Let's dive into our plan. This section has 13 subparts along with quizzes and articles. So here we'll be starting with Augmented Reality definition. Next we will cover Augmented Reality market and implementation. What is virtual reality and difference between virtual reality and augmented reality? What are the various AR displays available in our market and its technologies will be covered here. Next, very important topic, milligrams reality virtuality continuum. By then we must have a question, what is mixed reality? So here we'll learn what is mixed reality and various key tracking technologies and platforms for AR. What is holography and the difference between holography and photography. Next we will go through augmented reality browsers and its various platforms and providers. How we can feel and sense this technology along with real world examples of augmented reality. After covering 12 subparts, we will have a Q&A section. All your doubts and queries till now, everything will be answered here. So, are you ready? Let's begin.